The Cabinet Door Factory is able to professionally apply superior quality Pure-White Conversion Varnish to make your kitchen remodel look spectacular. We can finish your new cabinet doors with a Pure-White Conversion Varnish that will be more durable and longer lasting than standard spray painted surfaces. Hi, my name's Brady, and I'd like to take a minute to talk about pre-finished white cabinet doors. There's a wide range of quality in painted doors available on the internet. A great finish requires experience, dust-free spray booths, and access to conversion varnishes and catalyzed lacquers. Conversion varnishes and catalyzed lacquer require training to safely mix and apply the finish, so they're not offered by Home Depot and Lowe's. They require experience and training on the part of the painter to safely mix and apply the product. Our finishes are purchased directly from Sherwin-Williams and are not available outside the professional finishing community. Conversion varnish does not air dry like other spray-on varnishes. The drying and hardening process is chemically induced and controlled. Now, the final result of conversion varnish is a finish that is far superior to other paints. The pure white finish on our painted doors is more uniform and far smoother than other white finishes. And here are some pictures of our Revere and Shaker cabinet doors and their matching drawer fronts finished with our pure white conversion varnish. To order any of our cabinet doors finished white, simply select Paint Grade for the wood type, then click the Paint Grade Options drop-down menu. Next, select Primed and Finished White. The price shown below the order box will reflect the total cost for that door. Our normal production time for unfinished cabinet doors is 7 to 10 working days, and the production time for finished doors requires an additional 3 weeks to allow for proper drying, curing time.